Welcome one and all present here. On behalf of the Applied Mechanics Department, I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude towards each and everyone for attending this Gyan course entitled as Modeling, Simulation, Performance Evaluation and Biological Safety for Medical Devices for Respiratory and Cardiovascular Assistance. Now to start with, I would like to call forward all the respected faculty members for the lighting of lamp, and along with that we will have the Saraswati Vandana. Now, after the divine blessings of Lordess Saraswati, I would like to request all the respected dignitaries to kindly come up on the dais and be seated. Now, I would like to invite the local coordinator of Gyan and the head of the Department of School of Management Studies, MNIT Allahabad, Dr. Please come up and say a few words regarding the Gyan programs.
Thank you very much. Good morning, respected Professor Rakesh, R.P. Tiwari sir, and other colleagues present here. So it's a pleasant morning today, and this is a global initiative on academic network. This is in series we are organizing the 23rd program in the series for within last two years almost. Global initiative initiative of Ministry of Human Resource Development, and so far we have got the approval, country has got the approval of around 1,417 programs. It's an excellent program, and under this program we are able to invite faculty members from outside the country, and they are the experts in their respective area. So that way, many of the participants even mentioned that it is kind of a dream comes true. Like if you are working in a particular field, particular area of research, there who are the stalwarts or the top people who are working, doing research or teaching particular area. are able to invite those people who are in that particular research area or that particular subject area. So that way, many of the participants, including I, also feel that it is are able to learning authority in that particular area. So that way, it is an excellent opportunity for all of us to learn, to experience, and to network. So network is also another important component of this Gyan. And under this network initiative, it is not that 1 week or 2 week program. It is connecting people from one person from outside, getting connected to many people. This network, and later on, we can have institute to institute network and country to country network. That's the objective. So it is not going to be the end after two weeks of program. So you need to strengthen it further, and then later on you can connect with the institute, other faculty members based on your interest. Okay. So this is about the global initiative on academic network and its objective. You must have observed that this program is being live broadcasted. It is available on YouTube channel and also institute portal. At the same time, NDL, National Digital Library. So live streaming is made available on NDL, Gyan portal, and institute portal. At the same time, we are also promising that this program, the entire recording, will be made available on the NDL, National Digital Library, so that any one of you would like to refer to the program later on a later date, maybe you may be able to do that, and also reference for your friends, colleagues, whosoever have interest in this particular area may refer it. So network is important, then ICT is important, that we are making use of ICT for live streaming and video recording. Later on it will be made available on NDL, National Digital Library, and it's a excellent program of MHRD. We are thankful to MHRD for spending huge amount of money for organizing such event and dream come true. So wish you all the best, and I'm very happy to see all the participants from various parts of the country, distance people also. I know one person coming from Chennai also, so I had a talk with that girl. So I'm very happy to see this, and especially congratulations to the coordinator, Dr. R.P. Tiwari, and the department as well, because out of 23 programs that I mentioned, the institute has organized, this is the 11th program Applied Mechanics Department is organizing. So that way, Applied Mechanics Department deserves a effort they are putting, and that way, we must appreciate. So thank you very much, and all the best. Wish you learning.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing that valuable information with us. Now, I'd like to call upon Dr. R.P. Tiwari, sir. He is the course coordinator of Gyan and the officiating head of the Department of Applied Mechanics Department, to give a brief introduction about the department and also about the Gyan course.
Respected Professor Rakesh Mishra, international expert for this Gyan course on modeling simulation, performance evaluation and biological safety for medical devices for respiratory and cardiovascular assistance. Dr. G.P. Sahu, Head SMS and Local Coordinator Gyan, the key person for inspiring us for these Gyan courses, and we have so far organized nearly 11 courses. Participants from different part of the country, faculty members, staff and students. First, on behalf of Department of Applied Mechanics and on my own personal behalf, I extend warm welcome to Professor Rakesh Mishra, foreign faculty, for this Gyan course, Dr. G.P. Sahu, local coordinator Gyan, participants who are here from different parts of the country for this 2 weeks Gyan course. It is really an honor and privilege for all of us to have Professor Mishra with us, as an international expert for this Gyan course. He is an internationally renowned scientist and academician working in the area of fluid dynamics and biofluid dynamics. I hope you all would learn a lot during this Gyan course. Now I will brief you about the Department of Applied Mechanics, as presently I am officiating as head of department. Dr. S.J. Pawar, the regular head of department, is on leave. So I will brief you about the department, what are the courses we are running. Actually, the Department of Applied Mechanics was established in 1964, and it was the Department of Applied Mechanics, Hydraulics and Hydraulic Machines for imparting postgraduate research in the area of mechanics. The department was renamed as Department of Applied Mechanics in 2004. The department offers various courses in the broad area of mechanics for the undergraduate students. The department is presently offering 4 MTech programs, namely Applied Mechanics, which is renamed as Engineering Mechanics and Design, Material Science and Engineering, Fluids Engineering and Biomedical Engineering. And we have state-of-art UG and 4 specialized PG labs as of now. Department offers PhD in wide area of applied mechanics, material science and engineering, fluids engineering and biomedical engineering. The department has well qualified faculty and committed faculty members, and all are having PhD degree and pursuing academic and research activities as per their international standards. We have MOUs with various academic institutions and industries. So I think all these details about the department is enough in this regard. Now I would request all the participants to take full advantage of this Gyan course and also take full advantage of rich experience of Professor Rakesh Mishra. Please be interactive during all sessions during this Gyan program. Thank you all and have a nice and comfortable stay here at MNIT Allahabad for next 10-12 days. Thank you all once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to introduce to you all to our foreign faculty member, Professor Rakesh Mishra, sir, to please come and give a brief overview about the course. But before starting with that, I would like to tell you something about our foreign faculty, Professor Rakesh Mishra, sir. He is the professor of fluid dynamics at the University of Hudders-field. Professor Mishra's main teaching areas include thermofluids, and various modules taught by him include aerodynamics, thermodynamics, automotive power units, and computational fluid dynamics. He is an active consultant to many thermofluid industries and has run a number of knowledge transfer partnerships successfully. He is very active in renewable energy research and is involved with many renewable energy organizations. Professor Mishra has published more than 150 papers in various journals and conference proceedings and has been invited to give keynote lectures in various conferences. He has also organized and chaired a number of conferences sessions dealing with green issues. Now I would like to request Professor Rakesh Mishra, sir, to please come up and say a few words and give a brief overview about the course.
For inviting me here. Dr. Sahu, Dr. Tiwari, thanks a lot. Dr. Pandey, it's nice meeting you all again. Thank you very much. A warm welcome to you all who have been told come from different places from across the country. I think I'm the only person who is from abroad, but I'm also from this country, so it's fine. I think you have been told about the course. Dr. Tiwari informed the details about the course. I don't have much to add, but I will just say a few things here. My expertise is in the area of computational fluid dynamics. And we have been applying computational fluid dynamics to understand the biological systems, both at the local level as well as the global level. And we have had a few successes in this particular area. So I'm hoping that I can share with you how the modern computational tools can be used to simulate the biological systems, and through that we can understand the diagnostic, we can diagnose the faults, we can design the intervention systems which are both high in performance and quite safe. So in this particular course, I expect you all to be quite active. I've got lots of case studies here with you. You'll be exposed to lots of material, and you must be prepared to carry out the hard work in the class. Okay. From a personal perspective, I'll be very happy to interact with you all. And if you have any questions or anything, you're more than welcome to come contact me. I'm available here for 2 weeks. But even after that, if you wish to contact me, I'll leave my contact details, and we can be in touch as we go along. I'll just mention a few things about the course. This course is about how to model biological systems. The focus is more on the internal flow dynamics. So we'll learn how existing simulation techniques can be used to simulate the flow systems. But the added feature here is how to understand, how to quantify the performance of these systems. So for example, if you have a stent, how the flow will take place, and what happens if there are, for example, some faults developing there, how it will affect the flow, and is there a way by which we can create a digital replica of the actual biological system. Things are getting on quite intense now in this particular area, especially with the advent of Internet of Things. You must have heard words like digital twins. They're trying to create digital twins of the systems such that which are interacting live with the actual system, so that we can find out we can diagnose the condition of the actual system and intervene if necessary in the given time. So in this particular course, I would like you to introduce, I would like you to understand that concept, and I understand most of you will be active in research. You can take these ideas forward, and you can really make a breakthrough, because in next 10, 20, 30 years, we would like many of us are lucky to have twins. Like, I don't have any twin of mine, but I would like to have a digital twin of mine on the system, isn't it? It's a nice feeling to have another Rakesh running on the computer, isn't it? So that will be really nice. In next 20, 30, 40 years, maybe this may be possible to have your own digital twin running onto the system, which is interacting live with you, showing all the processes that are taking place in your body on the system, and then you can diagnose the condition that is happening to you. So this is that will happen in next whatever years as computational power, other things become more mature. So here we will understand the building blocks of that: simulations, faults, performance evaluation, and I have got some case studies that you will be exposed to. So I hope you enjoy the course. Feel free to interact with me, and if you feel that anything that is not making sense, ask a question. That is the best way. Okay, ask the question, and then you can find a solution to it. So I wish you all the best. I hope you all do well, and I wish you all a comfortable stay here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now for the presentation of memento, I would like to call Ms. Priyanka from MTech first year to present the memento to Dr. G.P. Sahu, sir.
Thank you very much.
Now I would like to request Priyanka to present the memento to Professor Rakesh Mishra, sir. Thank you. Now for the vote of thanks. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on ground our hearty thanks to all the faculty members, staff members, research scholars and postgraduate scholars, external and internal participants, and everyone associated either directly or indirectly for their support and cooperation that they have extended towards us at this occasion. Thank you so much. Now we will have the high tea, and the high tea has been arranged next to this room. So first I would like to request all our faculty members to kindly move forward for the high tea, and then we will have the high tea for participants and other people. Thank you so much.